Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to build your small account. Okay, this is the blueprint right here. Now, this is pretty much the core strategy when it comes to this academy. Okay, and I want to show you guys the breakouts first because some of you guys, for some reason, I don't know why, ignore breakouts. Actually, I wouldn't say some. I would say 99% of you guys just ignore breakouts. Most of you guys come to me and ask me about horizontal lines, and no one asked me about breakouts. So that's weird because the breakouts is part of the small account builder strategy. Okay, so the first video now is going to be about breakouts. And not only is going to be about breakouts, I want you to focus on breakouts because it's very, very powerful. Most of my trades come from 1 hour breakouts, right? So I'm not saying that you are not going to use the horizontal support and resistance. You're going to combine everything together. That's why I have that section. But overall, I want you to start using the breakouts and understand the breakouts is very powerful. And you can combine that with the horizontal support and resistance. So I'm going to explain to you what I look for, and we're going to go a little bit deeper into breakouts so you guys can understand. When I talk about breakouts, I'm not talking about, okay, a big breakout like this. Now, you could take a breakout like this, right? We have this nice big breakout and you wait for the market to break out like that. You could do that. I'm not saying that you can. I'm saying with this strategy, we want to take small consolidations. Okay, we are waiting for the market to break these small consolidations right here. Okay, so we want to look for these small breakouts. Okay, so let's say this is the 1 hour chart. We're looking for these small breakouts. Okay, so we're looking for the market to consolidate, and we were looking for candlesticks to basically be side by side, and it can actually one candlestick can actually pop up a little bit. It doesn't matter as long as for the most part price is actually inside a range. Okay, we are looking for price to basically break out of this range. Okay, and then we're looking for trades. And same thing with trend line breaks, guys. We're looking for the market to basically form these swing highs and swing lows, draw our trend lines, and looking for that break so we can actually take trades on a 5-minute chart or the 15-minute chart, right? So let me show you examples on the chart. Now, you're looking for these small, tight consolidations, and we're looking for the market to break. Okay, so we have right here is what? A nice small consolidation right here. Okay, and we're waiting for the market to break. And notice how we had this nice break. And in the morning, okay, this is where the market opened. You had a nice opportunity to go short. Okay, another small consolidation. Okay, right here. And that's all you're looking for, these small, tight consolidations. And this is actually where the market, right here, this candle, let me show you real quick. This candle right here, this pretty much where the market opened right here. So a lot of times, or most of the times, you're going to see the market breaking out of this consolidation when it opens. So I'm talking about the NASDAQ 100 right now. We're talking about the indices. But at the same time, this applies to Forex. You can use this in the Forex market, gold. It doesn't matter. I use it whatever. I don't care what market I'm trading. If it's stocks, it doesn't matter. You can use these breakouts, okay? We're going to use small breakouts for our strategy. So we have a trend line breakout. So it don't have to be just a horizontal consolidation. It can also be trend line breakouts. Okay, so notice how we have this nice trend line breakout right here, and it usually happens before the market, or sometimes it happens right when the market opens. So we had this nice breakout, okay, and we pulled back. So with this, guys, we are waiting for the market to break out. So we don't really want to take the breakout. Okay, that's the key to this. We don't really want to take the breakout, even though you could. And I can show you. I'm definitely going to show you guys one way you can do that. But for the most part, no, you don't want to take the breakout. You want to wait for that breakout, to happen first, and then we're waiting for that pullback. Okay, So that is the strategy. And I want you guys to understand this because this is very, very powerful. Okay. So let me show you guys another. Here we go. Another example right here. We have small consolidation. Okay. A breakout. And this was, let me see. This is actually when the market opened right here. This candle right here. Notice how that candle, let me show you real quick. Notice how the market pulled back to that breakout and then went right back down. Okay, so that's why it's very important, because you will see this happen over and over and over. Okay, where the market will break out of a trend line or a small consolidation, and it will pull back to that breakout, and then it will basically continue to go down or up if the market is going up. So you have to understand this, guys. Please, I don't know why some of you guys ignore breakouts, but it's a big part of my strategy. Okay, so this is why I'm going to basically make this video first. Okay, this is going to be the first video when it comes to building your small account, because breakouts are very, very important. Okay, so we have right here, we have this breakout right here, guys. So this is where the market pretty much opened right here. So you can tell that we had some type of breakout right here, right? And then notice how, and a lot of times, even if you don't, let's say that you don't understand breakouts yet, a lot of times you will notice it's a breakout because we had this nice, bearish bar, nice volume bar actually coming out the breakout. So a lot of times, even if you don't understand it, you will get used to it, because sometimes you see a nice volume just come out. And notice how the market pulled back to that breakout, okay, and it went right back down. So this is why it's very, very important for you guys to understand what's going on in the market. So you just won't be one of those, traders that just say, oh man, I think the market's going up, or I think it's going down. No, we want to know, guys, what the market wants to do, right? So the reason why you want these breakouts, or want to know about these breakouts, is because these breakouts will give you great opportunities. Okay, this is why I put it into the small account builder, because basically trading with the momentum. Okay, we have volume behind you. When you are trading, you don't want to trade where things are choppy. You want to trade when the market is actually moving. So these breakouts will give you those opportunities when the market is moving, right? So let me show you guys another example. Okay, again, here we go. So we have this trend line break right here. Okay, and this is actually when the market opened. So the market opened right here. It pulled back to that trend line break. It broke, pulled back to it, okay, and then went right back down. So this is what you have to do every single day, guys. You have to understand to mark down your breakouts. So this is another breakout right here, okay? We have a nice breakout right here, okay? This is actually where the market opened right here. Notice how we came out this breakout and we went down. So you as a trader have to know, all right, we are breaking out, because this is going to help you build your small account. Now, when it comes to these breakouts, guys, one thing I will tell you is I don't care about direction. Okay, so what do I mean by that? Well, let me see if I show you a good example. Okay, here's a good example. Notice how the market is going up. Now, I'm not looking for, a continuation to the upside. Me personally, when I'm looking at this, I don't care which way it breaks out. As long as it breaks out, I'm looking for a continuation. So in my original video, I told you guys try to go with the trend, because I'm trying to keep things simple. But now I'm going to tell you guys, don't worry about the trend. Okay, so when I mean the trend, whatever the market is doing, if it's trending up, don't worry about it. If it's breaking to the downside, guys, you go with that breakout. Okay, notice how we going up right here. If it's breaking to the downside, we go with that, right? So don't worry about if the market is going up or if it's going down. Let's worry about if the market is breaking up or is breaking down. That's it. Notice how the market is going up right here, but guess what? The breakout is to the what? To the downside. Okay, so that's why it's very important to understand these breakouts, so you won't be, stuck when it comes to trading. Now, I know some of you guys are going to ask me, hey, what if the market is not breaking out that day? Well, you can trade support and resistance. This is why I'm showing you guys horizontal support and resistance and breakouts, right? Or you can say, you know what? If this market is not breaking out, let me see if I see another market breaking out. It's up to you, all right? Me personally, I might look for another market to see if it's breaking out. But if you want to trade that market that you're looking at and it's not breaking out, then you can use your horizontal support and resistance, right? When it comes to trading stocks, a lot of times I won't see any breakouts, so I had to use my horizontal support and resistance. All right. So again, at the end of the day, it's up to you. All right. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you see bigger breakouts, yes, you can do those. Definitely have a big breakout if you want to, but at the same time, guys, focus on those small breakouts because those small breakouts will help you understand what the market wants to do that day. All right. So your job right now is to go on a chart. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys some homework. Go on a chart and do 50 or 100 reps. What that means is basically you want to do at least 50 to 100 examples of breakouts. So go on your chart and start marking down breakouts and get used to these trend line breakouts or these horizontal consolidation breakouts. And guys, you only need at least 5 candles stacking up. Okay, so we have red, green, and then red. Boom, that's it. That's all you need, right? Because if you go to the smaller time frame, let's say you go to the 30-minute, you will see it better. Okay, you definitely see those consolidation. I don't like to go to the 30-minute because it's going to give me too many bars, but you can see. You see how we have this nice consolidation, right? So I usually stick with the 1 hour because I'm drawing my lines, my horizontal lines on a 1 hour, and I'm also drawing my consolidation on a 1 hour. I can see it, okay? But if you are having problems, seeing the breakout, you could definitely go to the half an hour or the 30-minute chart if you want to. But try to stick with the 1 hour and try to basically get used to, seeing these consolidation on the 1 hour because you're going to draw your horizontal lines on the 1 hour and your trend line breaks and the consolidation breaks on the 1 hour, right? So get to work, guys, and make sure that you practice. So let's go to the next video.